weekly live television program in professional wrestling. We're live coming at you from the Van Andel Arena in Grand Rapids, Michigan. And we start off with the beauties of the Nitro Girls.
The way to start off, and the NWO isn't going to greet anybody. Why did make you say that?
Right, that's part of my repertoire now, Larry, to talk about WCW/NWO. Ladies and gentlemen, we're on the air tonight as always live in 3 solid hours of the best in pro wrestling. There's a lot to talk about. There's a lot going on. And as you know, heated rivalries last night, tempers flaring last night, and World War III, but nothing in comparison to what's going down tonight here on WCW Monday Nitro. Fans of Van Andel Arena are jammed into this beautiful facility downtown in Grand Rapids, Michigan. It's our second trip here, and it's good to have you with us wherever you are. Take off, Larry. Mike and I got a lot to talk about. Nowhere comes Bam Bam Bigelow. Just like he did last Monday night, he tried to get in the ring, the final ring with only 9 men in there, but WCW athletes and NWO athletes banded together to keep Bam Bam Bigelow at ringside. And then here comes security. Bam Bam Bigelow not a part of WCW. Security and referees all coming out, trying to pull this Beast of the East away. And then here he came himself, the world champion Goldberg, out of nowhere. And Goldberg and Bam Bam got into a major fight on the floor, while another fight was going on in the ring, trying to decide who would win World War III. It was a massive pull apart. It got down to the last 8, and the last man left standing was big, sexy Kevin Nash. And congratulations to Alan. There's another limousine in the back.
PhD those boys last night.
It's Kevin Nash. Listen in here.
With taste of that hard knock life. Hey, if you took World War III last night, what does that make you?
Next! Looks like I'm next, Bill.
Yo, Goldberg, you better train. Do your jumping jacks, eat your great nuts.
Look, I'm next.
You know, the funny thing is, being next ain't a safe place to be, brother. Ask your girlfriend. About your back, because I want you to see that truck that runs you over, brother.
All right. Thank you very much, gentlemen. Kevin Nash, Lex Luger, and Goldberg just dropping in here. Who knows what's going to happen on Nitro? Stay tuned. We've got more action live on TNT.
Hey, Bill, cut off on the caffeine a little bit, baby.
Ralph isn't.
Welcome back, fans, to Monday Nitro. And Michael Buffer's in the ring. And the man is on his way to the ring.
This is music you can dance to. It's Goldberg.
Well, as we look to our right, we see the Giant is already there. Awaiting Goldberg.
Listen to this reception.
Well, as you know, we're into overtime here. So hang with us. Past the 11 o'clock Eastern hour. What an entrance, huh? What an intimidating entrance.
I wouldn't want to be standing there knowing he's going to get in the ring pretty soon and put his big meat hooks on me. Come in!
Standing 6 feet 4 inches tall and weighing 291 3/4 pounds. In the history of professional wrestling, this man has captured a cult following like no other. This man has destroyed 162 consecutive opponents. Ladies and gentlemen, he is the reigning and defending, undisputed, undefeated WCW NWO Heavyweight Champion of the World, Goldberg! Ladies and gentlemen, this match is for the Heavyweight Championship of the World. Are you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world, let's get ready to rumble!
So Michael Buffer, as always, sets the stage for the big collision, and the Giant wasting no time. Manhandling Goldberg and missing, and Goldberg using the quickness, using the combination blow. Goldberg's got him in the corner. What can he do with a big man? Right down, nothing.
Remember, the most important factor in this match is that there must be a winner. World's heavyweight title, as well as the winning streak on the line, against only the largest athlete in pro sports. And he's got him out. He's got the move. He just choke slammed Goldberg. He's got the move. 1, 2. No. He got out of the choke slam. My goodness.
And you know Kevin Nash is watching this right now. He's watching every move.
And the Giant is shocked. He's stunned. He looked at his hand. He couldn't believe it.
Kevin Nash to face the winner of this match at Starrcade.
Danny to hit him again. He blocked it. Goldberg with knees.
He don't care how big you are. Can he pick him up? I bet he can. I'll bet the house on it.
7-4-5-50. Can he get him up in the jackhammer?
If he does, the roof's coming off this joint.
Here we go.
Look at the size of this man.
They're standing everywhere. Oh, my. He's got it. Oh, my God. 1, 2, and 3.
Wait a minute.
There's Bam Bam Bigelow. There's Bam Bam Bigelow again. Why? And what's he up? Goldberg wants him too now. Security has rushed in.
Well, Goldberg wants it, but he's not associated with World Championship Wrestling at all.
Yeah, we got to take measures to stop this from happening. This man is...
Lock him up.
Oh, we're not kidding, lock him up. He's such a loose cannon.
Throw away the key.
Such a dangerous one.
Everyone's standing here.
Uh-oh. Oh, the fort here, guys.
More fireworks.
Whoa. We might not have to wait until the 27th. We don't have to wait. It's another fight.
They're coming at Goldberg from all corners.
Keep the nightsticks out.
The Giant, the Bam Bam, and now Kevin Nash.
I'm not even sure how safe it is here.
Look at him fighting through the police.
Boy, do they want to get at each other.
And they did again.
They broke through all the security forces.
Goldberg drove him all the way across the ring back to the corner.
This is unstoppable.
This looks like World War III last night.
It's more volatile than this, and it tells us that Starrcade may be the best one ever on the 27th.